kind of design, and then this face, crazy face, which one I think is like a clown. So yeah, now let me put this for example, like this donut can stick. Good. Wow. And then this heart can stick, even this shape, and even these two can stick. So these guys can stick, but what about this? So let me just put it here. Wow, it sticks. So now I'll just check, will it, wow. So I'll just put it here, like this, and wow! Oh my gosh, I almost thought it's gonna fall down. I'll give another trial. So yeah, again that's here, like this, and nothing's gonna fall. I thought it's gonna fall. Like at the refrigerator, it's like, gets like this, and this pointy part up here, it just like swipes right over like at this point. Okay, now I'll try at this one. So this will be a very long part for this. Let me just duck a little down. So yeah, I'll just do it right around here. I think this, yeah, I like this one too much. I like this part too much. Refrigerator number 2. So with this refrigerator, I'll do it right in here, fridge, and let it go. Well, this was fun, so I'll do another one. Okay, now with the refrigerator number 2. So right around here and stretch. Let it go. It's like it's still going. Alright, now again, and 1, 2, 3, let's go. I think I stayed a little bit stopped. That's why it's like so slow. Like it's like this, like you guys can see, like going like this and this and this. Like take a full minute, I can say, or half in a minute. So yeah, this is all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment if you guys want me to do more of this kind of videos. So bye.